Hello students, today we will learn how to convert a rational number into decimal by long division method. Every rational number can be represented in the form of decimal by using long division method. This representation can be either terminating or non-terminating. I am taking one example 5 by 8. This is a rational number. Now by long division method I am going to convert into decimal form. Now 5 is not divisible. Start with decimal. 8 6 are 48. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. Now what we observe, the remainder is 0. If we get finite number of digit in the decimal part, then this rational number has terminating decimal form. I am taking one more example, 13 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Now 3 is not divisible, decimal. 5 6 are 30. Now in this example, again the remainder has become 0 and there is a finite number of digit in the decimal part. So this is also a terminating decimal form. This rational number has terminating decimal form. Now move to the next non-terminating decimal form. Again I am taking example 1 by 3. Now 1 is not divisible. Start with decimal. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now what we observed? We observe the digit in the decimal part of this number starts repeating. The denominator will never become 0 because the digit starts repeating. So therefore we are going to place this bar over this 3. That shows this 3 is repeating in the decimal part. Therefore this number has non-terminating decimal form. Non-terminating decimal form. If we find the digit in the decimal start repeating after a finite number of steps, then that rational number has non-terminating decimal form. Again I am taking one example, 25 by 12. Start dividing. 12 2s are 24. 1. Now 1 is not divisible. Start with decimal. Again 10 is not divisible by 12, so we will place 1 0. 12 8s are 96. 40. 12 3s are 36. 40. 12 3s are 36 again. Now what we observe? This digit 3 in the decimal part start repeating. So we are going to place this bar over 3. This bar over 3 represents as the digit in the decimal part. Only this 3 is keep on repeating. The decimal will not become 0. Therefore it has also non-terminating decimal form. Now moving to the next question, without actual division, determine the given rational number has terminating or non-terminating decimal form. So in this question we are not going to divide. What the method is, whatever the rational number is given to you, first ensure that that rational number must be in standard form. Means numerator and denominator should not be divided by the same number. They are divisible by 3, 13 by 8. We have divided by their SCF 13 by 8. Now look at the denominator 8. Take out the prime factorization of the denominator. Now the prime factors of 8 is 2 only. Now, after converting the rational number into standard form, and if we are going to find the prime factorization of the denominator, if prime factors are either 2, as in this example, either 5 or 2 or 5, only in these three cases that rational number has terminating decimal form. If other than 2 and 5 any number comes like 2, 2, 3, 5, then that rational number will have non-terminating decimal form. I am taking another example. First, ensure that number should be in standard form. They both are divisible by 9. 14 by 5. Now, find out the prime factorization of the denominator. Only 5 is there. The prime factor is 5 only. Therefore, again it has terminating decimal form. Terminating decimal form. One more example I want to show to you. (17 by 90). This rational number is already in the standard form. Find the prime factorization of the denominator only. 45. Now, the prime factors are two, other than 2 and 5 we have 3 also, of 90 are 2, 3 and 5. Now, other than 2 and 5, 3 is also in the prime factorization. Therefore, it has non-terminating decimal form. Moving to the next question. Find the decimal representation of given rational numbers. Decimal representation of, first example I am taking, minus 27 by 4. This can be done by two ways. Either to divide 4 6 are 24. Now 3 is not divisible. Start with decimal. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. Now the remainder has become 0. Fine. So we can also say that it has terminating decimal form. Other method is you can change the denominator into power of 10. 4 being multiplied by what number? 25. So same number has to be multiplied with the numerator. Minus 675 upon 100. How many zeros we have in the denominator? 2. Then decimal will shift 2 place towards from your right to left. Second, minus 37 by 60. In this question, we have to go for only division method because 60 be multiplied by not any number to give the multiples of 10. It is not possible in the case of 6. So, we are going to divide 37 by 60. Not divisible. Start with decimal. 360. 60. Ones are 60. 360. Again 6. Again same. Now what we observe that this digit 6 starts repeating. The decimal representation of this number is 616 bar because this digit is repeating. So we are going to place this bar over 6 only. Now home assignment for today is do question number 1 to 4 worksheet 2 chapter 3. Wonderful.